for apple, so yummy to eat. B is for ball, that rolls on your feet. C is for cat, who says meow. D is for dog, who goes bow wow. E is for egg, so smooth and white. F is for fish, that swims just right. G is for goat, with little horns. H is for hat, that someone adorns. I is for ice, so cold and nice. J is for juice, with fruit and ice. K is for kite, that flies up high. L is for leaf, that falls from the sky. M is for moon, that glows at night. N is for nose, that smells just right. O is for owl, who says hoo-hoo. P is for pig, who plays in the goo. Q is for queen, with a shiny crown. R is for rain, that falls right down. S is for sun, so warm and bright. T is for tiger, with black and white. U is for umbrella, when rain falls fast. V is for van, that drives right past. W is for worm, who wiggles low. X is for X-ray, it helps us know. Y is for yo-yo, up and down it goes. Z is for zebra, with stripes in rows.